The following segment is sponsored by Ottalaus Salon. If you're looking for a fast yet classy style to get you straight from the gym to work or a fun night out, AnneMarie, owner of Ottalaus Salon, has you covered. Welcome back to the show, AnneMarie. It's great to see you.
Thank you. Always great to be here.
Happy to have you. Okay, now when we're going from the gym, we're on our way out the door, maybe to like a dinner party, maybe out after that, and we're running out of time. You're going to show us a great way to go from the gym to our next event, right?
Yes. So obviously it's super cute, our model here with her high ponytail, but sometimes we want to look a little more dressy and something a little more polished. And so I'm just going to show you really quickly a super easy, fast way. So if you've got a little bit of a time crunch, you can get through this really quick.
Okay, great. Okay,
so
where do we start?
All we're going to do is just split your ponytail in half.
Okay.
And then just a quick little twist.
Twist it.
And then you're going to wrap that around.
Okay. This is easy. I think we can do this at home.
Yes, so easy. And then just a couple little bobby pins to lock that in.
Okay, so as far as tools, your hair is probably already up from your brush, so maybe you brush it out, put it back in the ponytail.
Exactly.
Spin
if
it
you're
around.
looking a little frizzy, then that's great. And you're just going to twist this and go the opposite direction.
Okay,
of
so
the
you just
other
split
one.
that in two and you're going to go the opposite. Oh, we can do this. Look how cute that is.
So then you've got some texture. It looks like you put a lot of time, super quick and easy. And then all you're going to do is just all these little baby pieces that are poking out, just put them in a pin really quick.
So and maybe you need just a couple bobby pins.
Yes, not a ton. And then you've got this like super polished bun that looks like you spent a ton of time on it, but it's so easy and quick.
That's really, really cute. Okay, any products we're gonna use with it?
Yeah, so I've got a couple tips that will actually help you at the gym as well. So we brought all of our dry shampoos that we offer at Ottalaus. This one right here is actually my favorite, like pre-workout.
Okay, let me see this one. Okay.
So you have to shake it up, but it has charcoal in it, so it absorbs all the oils, any sweat, anything like that, and then you just throw a blow dryer and it just brushes right out. And so that's awesome for pre-workout.
Okay, that's your favorite.
Yes, I love that one. And then we just have our traditional dry shampoos, Kerastase, KMS, and Oribe, and so they all have a little bit of a different feel. The KMS comes out white, so if you have brown hair, it's not always great.
Okay.
For me as a blonde, I love it.
It works perfectly.
Yeah, a little root coverage, you know, extra. And then the other two are a little bit, they're both translucent, so they're great for brunettes.
Okay, amazing. You look great. This is beautiful. Okay, tell us about your salon and what services you offer.
Yeah, so we're a full service salon, so everything from facials to all hair type services, hair extensions. We don't do nails. That's our only exclusion to our full service menu. And you can find us in South Jordan, Draper, and Lehigh.
Okay, what's the best way to book an appointment? What would you say?
Definitely. Going to our website, ottalaus.com, we have online booking and also phone numbers to each location there.
Okay, amazing. Thank you for showing us this. You look so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, great to see you, AnneMarie. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.